Okay, everyone, hello. We got another eastbound train coming here on the BNSF Chillicothe subdivision. I'm EJ. Welcome to EJ's Trains. This is a hot spot for BNSF and Union Pacific Railroading, and sometimes Canadian National as well. Okay, we're going to get this eastbound train rolling. Let's get to rolling. Please subscribe to EJ's Trains on YouTube and all other social media platforms. Thank you. Uh-oh, got the sky. I almost dropped my camera. Let's get to rolling. It's a beautiful day here on the BNSF. Step back a little bit, get too close to the tracks. All right. The crossing gate's going to come down in just a second. At the moment, I can't tell if it's BNSF or Union Pacific. I think it's a BNSF. We'll see. It's a beautiful day here in the Chillicothe subdivision. We go to crossing gates. Another intermodal train, look like a BNSF intermodal. Get a lot of intermodal traffic through here. Norfolk Southern unit on the second unit there. Yeah, they seem to use a lot of Norfolk Southern units on their, as loaners. We got some auto racks at the rear of this double stack train. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell for more future contents on EJ's Trains. Thank you.